Hi guys, I'm back with the part 2 of the stretch bracelet making video. I wanted to make the second part of this because I wanted to show you how to make the bracelet durable if the whole size of your beads are large enough to have the cord go through it twice. So let's start. I have my 0.5 millimeter stretchy cord here from Power Cord, my bead board with my beads on it with the pattern I like, and then I have a couple things here. This is new. This is called elastic cord needle by Beadalon. So this is gonna help us put the cords through our work, go through it twice. So this is new to me. I've never used this before. What I've used is my own makeshift cord needle. So it's pretty much the same concept. I used a 24 gauge wire, had it bent at the end so that I can just put my cord through it once my work is put through this wire. I would just put my cord through it and then pull the beads to the cord. But like I said, the idea is the same. This is what I was using before, and I just went and purchased this today, really. And then you can also use a big eye needle. So just your basic big eye needle. Sorry, I'm fiddling around with this too much here. There, big eye needle. You can put your cord through it, and you can use big eye needle if you want to go through your work just once. But if you want the cord to go through your work 2 times, then this is not going to work. But this will work if you want to make your own stretchy cord needle. Okay, so let's get started. We don't need our cord for right now. All we need to do is put our beads through this needle. This is about 8 inches long, and this is also good for if you have kids that wants to make bracelets, because it's, you know, for tiny hands it's hard for them to work with the cords itself, but this keeps it nice and sturdy. Oh, this one doesn't have a hole. Let me get a replacement bead for this one. Hold on, guys. And this is a bone beads we're working it with. And as you can see, it's very easy to put your beads through this needle. We're almost done. And once you have your beads in the needle, what we need to do is we need to get our cord. And I want this pretty long, definitely longer than 7 inches, because our bracelet length is 7 inches, and we want 2 cords to get to be inside our bracelet. So I'm going to put this through the little hook of the needle. Okay, there we go. Okay, Okay, and then now all you have to do is slide it down your cord. It slides down really easy. Okay, and then at this point, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull the cord so that way we don't have this much, so that we're not wasting this much of our cord. Let me get the needle out from here. And I'm just at this point just fiddling around with the cord so that I just have enough length to tie the knot. So once we're here, you see there's a loop on one end and there's two cords coming out from the other. What you want to do is the end one, you want to slide it through the loop. Okay, it looks like this. It's through the loop now, and push your beads close to that loop, and then now tie your surgeon's knot, which is one loop, two loop, pull it, and then one more, one and two, and one more, and then trim your excess cord, and then pull your bead through the knot so that you can hide the knot in there like that. And there you have it. Nice little cute bracelet. And that's it for today, guys. Have a good day. Bye.